Welcome back to the channel, guys. Something off key here. This right here is our east to west Silver Lake 29 kbh that we just recently purchased, and it's not a bad little camper, man. It's got a little slide out here, got the kitchen, excuse the pillows and all this other stuff. I've been getting ready for a trip. Back bedroom. This couch lays out into a bed. Obviously, here's the cushion. These two also pull down. They're a pain in the butt to get down. But there's two beds here. So you got bunks. Kind of, sort of, in a way. Access door. Little storage compartment. We'll get back to that. Little dinette set. Nice fridge. Not bad. I mean, it holds a pretty good amount of stuff. It's nice and cold. Freezer. I need to clean that out. Microwave. 3-burner stove with an oven. Sinks over there. Nice size pantry. Guess me and Stacy have been out in this thing, so got our TV, got a radio, little fireplace, LED lit fireplace, bathroom, nice shower. Believe it or not, this is one of the reasons why we bought this one. A lot of them I did not fit in, so that light turns off automatically. This is the master bedroom. I've got the bed made up. Yes. We mounted the TV. It's got storage on both sides. Little places. Not a bad little closet here. But that's not why we're here. I'm not here to show you around the camper. I'm here to get some work done. We are getting ready to go to Ocean Lakes down in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We were there over a year ago for Mustang Week. We have decided, the last time we were there, we stayed in a condo. This time we are taking the camper. But my aunt's going to be staying with us. And I thought, how rude is it to have a TV here in the living room and us have one in our bedroom? But there's nothing in here. Except for here. It says TV backer. We're going to find out if this seam comes all the way down like I think it does. It's pretty solid right there. You can kind of flex it and see where that rail runs. So I'm going to mount it about here. And that's where this comes into play. I'm going to mount this here up on the wall. And it's going to swing out, but I didn't think about TV. I got a 32-inch TV. Same that's in the bedroom. And I'm hoping it's going to work. I'm not worried about it folding back as long as it don't interfere with our door here. The door can close like it needs to. If all that works, I'm good. I'll put the TV here, and we'll just have it set up that way. I got to get all the internet and stuff set up, and then of course when we get these campsites, we have to hook up their Wi-Fi. It takes a couple minutes, but that's what we're going to work on now. One thing I will tell you guys, if you're going to wall mount a TV in a camper, take your bolts, your lag bolts, and measure them like in a window sill. The 2-inch bolts that they come with for these do not work. They're too big for my camper. So what I had to do was go out and get 1.25" wag bolts. Now I've got these. We're gonna figure out what drill size. Alright guys, real quick, you need a 5/32 drill bit. If you guys with the quick connects, Harbor Freight sells these, and it's a big pack of them, and they work great. I mean, they are just stupendously great. The nice thing about this one wall mount has a built-in level. So once you get it in the place you want it, you can level it and then drill your pallets. Oh, come on now. The only thing that sucks about doing this one-handed and not having anybody else with you is trying to get everything lined up properly. Okay, good deal. Now we just got to get these bolts set into place, and I have left my tools. Hold on one sec. Alright, so double check this real quick. That is right. Alright, cool. Could not find my socket to save my life here. Or my socket for my ratchet. So we're gonna temporarily get it started this way. At least to get these in here. That way I can let go of it and go grab the right socket. Right. Beautiful. Of course, when you're putting these in, you don't want to get them super tight once you get them all the way in. Mainly because, you know, this isn't your house. This isn't a stud that you're putting this into. The last one I went kind of easy with it. It was perfect. You know, didn't have any issues with it. So I'm going to go grab a socket, the ratchet. We'll finish getting this tightened up, and then we'll get that TV on. Alright guys, as you can tell, mounts in. The only thing I'm worried about is this TV. As far as ceiling clearance here. Now this TV that I chose, it's a TCL, and it really don't need much. You don't need an extra bracket or nothing. And honestly, I can do this by myself. That's how nice. Oh, it's going to clear perfect. Yes. Now what I did have to do was take the smaller screws and put a couple washers on it. I remember that from doing the living room TV, or the bedroom TV, excuse me. Wrong room. Now you can go to Amazon and buy mounts for these things for RVs. So I'm gonna get this TV mounted up. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got 2 screws in. Let me get the bottom 2. I got the 2 top ones in. Now I will tell you this, guys. If you have a crazy driveway like mine, we have a slight incline going down to the shop. I highly recommend taking into consideration the grade of your driveway, because when I hook this up, or I put this mount in, even though it shows level, it's not level. It is off because of that grade, that drop. So there you go, guys, just like that. We'll get these other screws tightened up. And then we'll have a pretty decent TV in this extra room for when people are with us camping. I know we got a big one coming up in March next year for Ponies in the Smokies. JT and his girlfriend will stay with us. Oh yeah, that fits perfect. And then I've got a couple straps that I'll put in here, or a strap to put around the TV and the mount. That way when you're driving, it's not flopping all around. So, only thing left to do, give us TV some power and hook up the cable line. But bam, there you go, guys. TV mount in your camper. Easy, as you can tell, it is sloped. That's fine. I mean, this backer is, the plate's down far enough. So there you go. You want to know how to do it, because I've looked and there was a couple of videos online, not enough to make me jump through the roof and you know, actually know what to do. So just follow your directions, get smaller lag bolts. And the directions, I mean the directions for the mount itself, and you guys will be fine. So we're gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get this TV set up, that way when we take off tomorrow, actually, for our trip, we'll be good. It's kind of hot in here. We can get connected to the Wi-Fi down at Ocean Lakes and we'll have TV. That being said, guys, we love you. We'll see you next time. And remember, dream big. Oh, hey, you guys still here? Finished product. Ba-boom, ba-boom. Now, while my aunt is sleeping at night, she can have the TV on, chilling, having a good time, watch some good old YouTube here. I kind of like these after the videos. It's pretty fun. Oh, what is that? Hey, look at that. Yeah, I did that. See you guys.